Attorney General Anil Nandlall announces review of cybercrime law. Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, Anil Nandlall, SC, has announced an impending review of Guyana's Cybercrime Act to address the growing misuse of social media platforms for targeting private citizens. Speaking during his weekly program, Issues in the News, the Attorney General emphasized the government's commitment to addressing the misuse of digital platforms, which he described as a weapon against the citizens of this country. Highlighting the severity of the issue, Nandlall stated, "A government cannot stand idly by in the face of such an onslaught on its citizens. That government would be failing in its responsibilities." He noted that unregulated information on social media is causing widespread damage to individuals' reputations and character, including their families. The Attorney General affirmed the need for urgent action, stating, "A regulatory framework must be installed quickly to arrest this situation, and the penalties for violations must be severe. What we are facing is an exceptional situation, and exceptional situations require exceptional responses." Guyana's Cybercrime Act. Guyana's Cybercrime Act, passed in 2018, addresses harassment via electronic media. Section 19 of the Act specifies that it is an offense to use a computer system to intimidate or threaten violence against another person or their family, transmit obscene electronic data, publish or send electronic data that damages the reputation of another person or subjects them to public ridicule, contempt, hatred, or embarrassment. Penalties under this section range from fines of 5 million Guyanese dollars and 3 years imprisonment upon summary conviction, to 10 million Guyanese dollars and 10 years imprisonment for conviction on indictment. Safeguarding freedom of expression. The Attorney General refuted claims that the government's efforts were aimed at controlling freedom of expression. He stressed that while freedom of speech and freedom of the press are fundamental rights, these freedoms do not extend to attacking another person's character or family. International collaboration and legislative review. The review of the Cybercrime Act will be supported by Guyanese experts who recently participated in crafting an international convention under the United Nations to govern cyberspace. Deputy Chief Parliamentary Counsel Joan Bond and Trishala Persad will assist in aligning Guyana's legislation with this global framework. According to Nandlall, the review process will be completed, and amendments will be tabled in the National Assembly following its recess in October 2024. Further legislative reforms. The Law Reform Commission, recently sworn in, has also been tasked with reviewing statutory criminal procedure provisions. A key area of focus will be enabling smoother service of legal documents to individuals overseas who use cyberspace to commit offenses in Guyana. The Commission is expected to recommend amendments to eliminate technical legal objections, including jurisdictional challenges in cybercrime matters.